Okay, what's up people? Today's going to be another rolling tutorial because the algorithm seems to have decided that I am the godfather for rolling things. I'm not allowed to say the word that begins with a J because I'll get demonetized, or the W word, which is maybe the thing that these are used for, maybe not, who knows. Today's video is going to be how to make a large L plate, or setup, some people call it, or a king size L, and also how to make a small L, or just an L, or a 2 skinner, or something like that. The reason you'd make a large L or a king size L is maybe you've got a lot of stuff to put in the Rizla, and you want to make a big roll. The reason for a small L would be you can't be arsed doing the 3 skin paper stuff that I've showed you in my other videos. You just want a quick little something, but you've only got small skins. That's why you'd make a small L. So to begin with, for your large L, you're going to want a large Rizla, and the bit you stick to it, you could stick a large Rizla on the end, or you could stick a small Rizla on the end. It doesn't matter. I assume you'd want to save big skins, so use a small skin. All you've got to do, hold them like this, lick the bottom half of the sticky on the small one. Boom. Maybe a bit more. And just stick it on the end. Boom. Easy, Bob's your uncle. There you go. And then rip from in line with the Rizla on an incline towards the front. So you have this kind of mountain peak thing there. That ensures as you roll and tuck and stick the Rizla, this end bit is going to be pulled around because this top bit gets stuck and it pulls it around. You'll see how it works when you do it. There's the big L, easy stuff. The small L, 2 small Rizlas, Rizla, Whizla, Turkey, Twizzler. And same again, lick the bottom half, easy stuff. Boom, in line with the Rizla, rip down like so. Make sure that's stuck. Boom, boom. With both of these, you'd want to, if you were going to use it for something that I shall not mention, you'd want to roll it up and down just to make sure the Rizlas are creasing and rolling together at the same time. Easy as that. If you've liked this video, hit subscribe, like, comment, go watch my other videos. Have a good day. Peace.